So I don't think I've seen anybody try to turn a peach pit before, so let's do this. Just going to start off by gluing it here with hot glue on this waste block. Here we go. Let's wait for that to dry. We'll put it on the lathe. I'm going to go ahead and start turning it with this 1/4 inch gouge. Let's see what happens. Pretty hard. Alright, so I guess I got the general shape of this bowl. Got a little foot on it. Let me try to take the tailstock away and see if I can make the bottom flat. Hopefully this doesn't go flying off. Use the point tool and put a little decorative line on the bottom. Looking pretty good. I don't know how I'm going to mount this backwards though. Just using some generic thin CA glue. Turn the speed down. Accelerator. Go ahead and do the second coat. And I'll keep doing some coats here and show you guys the final result of the bottom before I turn it around. Okay, so I got 4 coats of CA on it, and now I've been thinking about how to reverse it. I think I'm going to go ahead and take it off, turn a hole for this little nut to fit in, and then glue it in there and hopefully keep it in place. We'll see how that goes. There's the nut. Sits flat. think that's pretty good. Alright, so I've reverse mounted it. I cut a little notch in this waste block here to set the nut in. Then I put some hot glue, which hopefully I can take off the back once I remove it. So, let's get to turning out this bowl. Okay, I think I'm at a point to where I have to move the tailstock. Let's hope this stays on. It appears that the inside of a peach pit is somewhat hollow. Alright, so can't put the finish on when it's in here, otherwise I might glue it to the wood. And I can't pull it out because I'm afraid of it cracking, so I think I'm going to turn away part of this wood and hopefully be able to get it out there. Clean off part of this glue and see what we have left. So I removed the wood, came off pretty easily, and we're left with this little bowl here. I think I'm going to try to glue back the pieces that broke off and see how well that works. Okay, so I got it glued back together. I'm going to start putting some more coats of CA on it to make it a little stronger and to make the finish. Got it stuck here with just some foam tape. So now we'll peel it off. here we go. Got a little bowl. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. For a first attempt, I don't think it was too bad. Thanks for watching.